Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. It's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this letter portrait design in Adobe Photoshop. A really cool idea that you can use across many forms of graphic design. And what I want you to do is take the steps that I teach you today and implement them into your wonderful, amazing designs. Okay, so just going to set that top layer and press backspace to remove and delete. Now what I do need to do first of all, as you can see, I already have my type already here, and I have my image of our man here, and there's a type layer there just underneath. Now I want to add a nice little background color, so I'm going to come through and add a solid color adjustment layer, and let's say we put it as, what we'll do is we will do that again, do it underneath, so I can pick up the brown there, give it more of a sort of a lighter brown, let's say. Okay, let's bring that to the bottom there. Now, with the type here, what I'm going to do is yet again borrow that color from the gentleman's jumper. So make sure you're on the type tool. If you double click on the fill option here, I can pick up that color. Wonderful, and press OK. Now, just going to turn off the man there. To this type layer, what I'd like to do is add an inner shadow to that. So that would be me applying a layer style. So just double click the layer. As you come through here, you can apply an inner shadow like so. These are my settings here for this particular effect. Now, if I press OK, all right, and let's bring back our man layer here. Now, just using the keyboard shortcut, well, not keyboard shortcut, the shortcut on your properties window, I'm just going to come through here and remove the background. Wonderful. Now, what that does now is that it creates a layer mask, which is going to be really important for us in a sec. I'm just going to use the move tool and just move off our man probably about to that point there, let's say. Maybe bring over just a bit there, a bit more. Okay, let's say I'm happy. So now what I need to do to make sure that this is clean, because I want to remove this part here, is I'm going to reselect the type layer. So come to the layer thumbnail and press Command on Mac or Control on Windows to reselect it. Now I want to affect what's on the outside of that selection. So I want to make sure I go to Select, Inverse. Let's say we use our brush tool now. Make sure that our foreground color is black. And what we can do now is start to remove this section here, like so. Just going to keep that bit of his head there, just overlapping. As you can see now, go right up to that shape there. Really be really clean, nice. Now, if I deselect, the keyboard shortcut is Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. And there you have it. That's how you create that letter portrait design in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.